This is the LEGO Series 29 collectible minifigures. Now, I've heard a lot of good things about these, and from the pictures, it looks like a pretty cool series. So in this video, I'm gonna go ahead and open them up and give you a closer look at them. And I bought 3 of these 6-pack boxes, so hopefully that'll be enough to get the full set. Of course, these just come in the standard newer style cardboard. And if you didn't know, there is a code on the bottom you can scan if you want to see what minifigure is in these, maybe if you're trying to get them from a store. Anyway, opening these up, the first one I opened was the Trash Monster, and this is definitely one of my favorite in the series. Next up we got Lloyd, the Green Ninja, or I guess the Mysterious Ronin if we're going by his CMF name. Another awesome figure. It looks like I got 3 of the best figures in my first run here, because next up is the Robot T-Rex. The 4th figure I opened was the Unicorn Elf, then the Cute Witch, and the final figure in this pack was the Monster Hunter. And now opening up the second box, I got the Tuba Player, then the Marine Biologist. Next I opened up the Boba Cup fan. After that, I finally found the Bionicle Cosplayer. And my luck continued because on the last 2 packages, I opened up the Soccer Goalkeeper and then the Chocolatier. All right, wow, so looks like I got pretty lucky there. I got the full set of figures, and I only had to open 2 of the boxes. One of them, you can see here, is still sealed. That's pretty cool. I'll just keep this in my collection. But as for the minifigures, I think this is a really cool series. I'm really impressed by just how detailed the figures are, lots of printing all the way around them. There's a lot of really cool and unique accessories as well. And then a few of them have some printing that you really don't see too often. This Trash Monster has some printing on the sides of the legs as well as the arms. Of course, there's some printing on the back as well as the front also. Just overall, very detailed figure. Same thing for the Robot Dino here, printing on the side legs as well as the arms, kind of just to show all the different mechanical parts. There's even some printing on the tail there. Really cool figure, probably one of my favorite out of the whole series. There's a lot of really cool accessories as well. Some of the more notable ones, there is a slimy pizza box, then this skeleton fish. Not sure if that's a new piece or not, but it's new to me and I think it's pretty cool. This figure has a pretty cool golden gun. I believe that is a new mold and that thing looks awesome. This guy has a tuba. That looks pretty cool. I like how it actually kind of fits up to his face, makes it look like he's playing it. But anyway, probably one of my favorites out of this series is the Bionicle figure. Pretty simple accessories, but the mask he comes with is really cool. Here's a look at the face underneath. And yeah, overall, I think this is a really solid set of minifigures. Comes with a lot of cool prints and accessories. Definitely one of my favorite series they've put out. And I'd say this series is definitely one you're going to want to pick up.